The 2025 Honda Passport TrailSport is here, and it's not just another mid-size SUV. This rugged, off-road ready machine is redefining adventure with a fresh new look, smarter tech, and performance that'll make you want to take the long road every single time. Honda has taken everything we love about the Passport and cranked it up with the TrailSport. More capability, more attitude, and more reasons to fall in love with driving again. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bold front grille, beefier tires, and exclusive TrailSport badging scream confidence. It sits higher and tougher with an updated stance that blends athletic presence with refined touches. The matte black wheels, orange contrast stitching inside, and the all-terrain tires? All perfectly matched to its adventurous soul. Under the hood, the Passport TrailSport carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine that pumps out a solid 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque, smooth, strong, and ready for anything. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, shifts are seamless, whether you're cruising the highway or tackling rocky trails. And yes, Honda's intelligent iVTM4 all-wheel drive system makes a huge difference. It actively redistributes torque where it's needed most, giving you confidence even in snow, mud, or steep inclines. The TrailSport isn't just about power, though it's about finesse. The revised suspension tuning makes rough roads feel less rough, while still keeping body roll in check through corners. It feels stable, composed, and most importantly, fun to drive. Inside, the cabin strikes the perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. The seats are plush and supportive, wrapped in easy-to-clean materials that still look upscale. Heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, tri-zone climate control, yep, it's all here. And the cargo space. You've got over 100 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, so bring all the gear this SUV can handle it. The technology inside is just as impressive. A large 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, a booming premium sound system, and Honda's latest suite of safety features make every trip enjoyable and safe. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a rear seat reminder all come standard. What truly sets the 2025 Passport TrailSport apart is how effortlessly it blends comfort with capability. It's tough enough for weekend getaways deep into the woods, yet smooth enough for daily city driving, a rare combo. Honda's nailed the formula here, giving us an SUV that's adventurous, tech-savvy, and genuinely fun. If you're looking for a mid-size SUV that doesn't just follow the trail, but leads it, this is the one. For what?